How's it going, everyone? What's up? Welcome back to another episode. Today we've got a little something special in store. We are headed out on a kayak fishing adventure. Only something I've done one other time. It was super successful last time. Granted, we were out on a lake called Fish Lake, so you have to figure our chances of catching fish were higher, and we caught a whole bunch of largemouth. Today we are headed out to a lake that I don't think is fished very often, and when it does, it's only accessible by kayak, which leads me to believe that it's either going to be amazing and there's just going to be fish everywhere, or it's going to be terrible and there's not any fish in this thing. I have no idea. Allie's dad has been chomping at the bit to check this place out. It's right off of a biking trail, and he's seen it and scouted it a little bit, and he's interested to see what's in there, as am I. And so I'm going to take you guys out on the GoPro, strap the GoPro on the kayak, do a little bit of dangling, and let's see what happens. I have no idea. It's I think I'm hitting bottom. Yeah, I'm hitting bottom there. Not too deep here. All right, we made it out to the lake. A little bit windy. Pretty interesting structure-wise, though. Let's see how it goes. First cast. So this is kind of crazy. I'm back in this little cut of this little pond, and this entire section along here has been dammed up by beavers. Like the entire span of the lake. I think it flows into Lake Michigan somewhere down the way, but right now this whole entire lake is being dammed up as far as I can see. And there's water on the other side of it over there, but you can't access it because the beavers have blocked it all up. How about that? First fish of the day. Potential winning fish right there. Number one. Got it? Yo, I got it. We got a fish. I don't know. Oh, that's a jumper. That's gonna tie it up. Oh boy, my drag is not tight enough for this guy. Woo! Oh god, he's bigger than I was hoping for right now. Holy crap! In a kayak, these 1-pounders feel like 100 pounds. Woo! What's up, bud? Come here. In the boat. Oh baby, that is a fish and a half. Woo! Look at that chunker. Dang, that's got some weight to him. Wow, what a fish. Just such a chunk. Oh my gosh. That is an awesome fish. Holy cow. That was fun to pull in. All right, bud. Thanks so much. Oh, another one just got off. Dang, we're just out here in the middle of the lake.